In global ideology, what is MMM? MMM is a mutual fund system community of people help each other in financial directly. MMM is not an investment project, it's not a company, it's not a bank itself. My personal ideology about MMM is a system that will help people to lessen the burden of their financial struggle. MMM exists for the people, exists for the reason to be there in times of our needs, in times of our troubles. In MMM, we hold on together, we have the unity, because in unity, there is strength. The strength that can be able to tear down stronghold of poverty, the stronghold of greediness. Together, we can change the world.